Hey, welcome to Maureen's Smart Nutrition. Today I'm going to show you 8 ways to avoid stomach rumbling or growling. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video. Without wasting much time, let us get into the video. If you do not know what stomach rumbling is, it is a normal phenomenon that anyone can experience which is associated with hunger, slow or incomplete digestion or consumption of certain foods. There are times in which stomach rumbling noises can be a source of embarrassment. Here are some ways to stop stomach rumbling. Number 1. Drink water. Water aids the digestive process while filling the stomach. Number 2. Eat something. Eating a small meal or snack may temporarily quell the sounds. Having food in the stomach lowers the volume of stomach growling. Number 3. Chew slowly. Chewing food properly reduces the amount of air that is swallowed, which prevents gas and digestive distress. Number 4. Avoid foods and drinks that cause gas, for example, beans, beer, broccoli, cabbage, onions, peas, sodas, whole grain, lentils, mushrooms, etc. Number 5. Practice portion control. Stomach growling and other noises may become more noticeable after eating big meals. Eating smaller portions at more regular intervals along with thoroughly chewing food during meals reduces the risks of overeating. Number 6. Stay active. Going for a walk after meals has been proven to aid the digestive process by speeding the rate at which stomach empties. Number 7. Stay calm. Gut activity increases during periods of anxiety regardless of whether the stomach is full or empty. Number 8. Address gastrointestinal issues. If stomach rumbling is bothersome and associated with other signs and symptoms, it is important to see a doctor for an accurate treatment plan. Well, thank you for watching the whole video. I hope it was helpful. See you next time.